Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today I am going to be drawing a goldfish. So to start our goldfish, I'm actually going to start, and I'm working with Sharpie on paper, but you guys start with pencil just in case you make a mistake. It's easier to erase. But I'm gonna start my goldfish with a curve up like this. So this is going to be the top of the fish's body. Then I'm gonna go ahead and draw a curve down like that. So we've got a curve up and we've got a curve down, and I've left a little space in here. This is where our tail's gonna go. So to get our goldfish's tail, I'm gonna do like a little curved line and a little curved line like this. And then I'm gonna go out, and I'm gonna go out. And this is my favorite part. I'm gonna do kind of like a ruffly tail. So after you have the ruffly tail, I'm gonna go ahead and put on our goldfish's face. Now, I like to make my goldfish eyes really big and cute. So I'm gonna do a really big circle like this. And then I'm gonna put a smaller circle in there like that. And then I'm gonna put some sparkles in that circle, and I'm gonna color it in black. So I know that's a lot of circles, but look at how adorable this fish eye looks. So it looks like it's kind of looking forward. And then if you guys want to, sometimes I'll like add these cute little like eyelashes. You guys can always add little extra details like that if you want. Another thing I like to add to my fish is I like to add like a little smile. It's a happy little fish. And then I always like to do a couple different colors of gold on my goldfish. So I am gonna go ahead and put a little line for the face, like where the face connects to the body. So just like a curve. And then we can do the fin. So the fin is just like kind of like a blobby, like wavy shape. And then a lot of times on fins, I will add like a little ruffle detail, and I'll actually do that same kind of a detail on my tail. So like this. So it just looks like it's moving, like it's in water, which it is. It's a goldfish, it should be in water. After we have like the fins done here, we're gonna go ahead and do the top fin. So the top fin is kind of like big and ruffly like this. And again, we're gonna add these little like dashes like this to make it look like it's like kind of waving in the water. And then underneath, so we have our top fin up here, but underneath we're gonna do like a little small tiny fin, like that. And gotta add our little dashes. Now this next part is up to you. So a lot of times on fish, when I draw like a fish, I will do like a little hint at scales. I don't have to draw every single scale, but a lot of times I'll just do like a couple like little patches of scales. So I might do like a couple here and a couple there, but I'm not gonna do them like all over the place. So it'll just give us like a hint. Maybe I'm gonna put one here, one here. So just like a hint that there's some scales here. So they're just like, it's almost more for texture than for anything else. A couple more. There we go. So I think maybe even just like maybe one more, a couple more up here. There, I think that's good. So it's just like a little hint at like the fish's scales. And then another thing you guys can do is, fishes are in water, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple little bubbles like this. Not very many, just a few. A couple little bubbles like that. And if you guys wanna draw the background, like if you wanna draw like sand at the bottom or some little seaweed, or if you wanna draw like, I don't know if you have a goldfish at home, what you have in your fish's tank, you can draw something in there. When I get to coloring my goldfish, I use a couple different shades. So here, let me find my, okay, so I've got like a yellow and I've got a gold and I've got an orange. So I like to kind of layer up these colors. So the face, I'm gonna go ahead and make it just like plain old yellow, like this. And you guys can make the whole fish just one color, but sometimes I like to just, you know, like really play with the different colors, especially since it has scales. And then because that face color I want to bring is like an accent, I want to bring that color to other parts of the fish. So I'm going to go ahead and make the fins all match the face. So here we've got yellow and then this part here. So that all kind of matches. Then I might do the scales like different colors, but all still shades of gold because it is a goldfish. So I'm going to do this all yellow, but then I'm gonna switch to like, I have this like yellow orange color. I'm gonna go ahead and do most of the body this color here just to break it up, just to make like it a little more interesting. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with some of my other colors here. My orange, and I can even get some like brown, like light tan or sand colors too if I really wanted to add in lots of different colors. Here. So I've got just a slightly different shade of gold. And then what you can do is you can go in here and you can like color some of these scales a little bit different color. And see how that makes it stand out? Like I love making things stand out so it's not just all one color. So where I can, I always like to shade a little bit here and there just to make, I mean, look at it, it makes a big difference. So I've got like little bits of orange just kind of like scattered in there. Another thing you can do is you can take this gold color and you can kind of like add some definition to the fins here. And this is super easy, guys. I'm just like putting like a teeny little dash along some of these lines here just to make it look a little more three-dimensional. So it's just making it stand out a little bit more than what it did. Another thing that's kind of funny, so I know this is not, goldfishes probably don't have blush, but sometimes I will take a little pink and do a little rosy cheek like that just because it's cute. And then again, the background can be colored any way that you want. Thank you so much for joining me today. This goldfish drawing is adorable. I hope you had fun. And again, we are posting these art videos every single day at 1 p.m. So I hope you will be back drawing with me again tomorrow.